Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today tonight because it's 11 p.m. right now. I wanted to quickly film a little video for you. I actually have my first day at MAC tomorrow, or today, or yesterday, depending on when I upload this. And I went to MAC and bought some new things, restocked on some old favorites. So I am here to show you what I bought that I will probably be wearing for my first day. I'm so flippin' nervous for tomorrow that I cannot sleep. I am wired beyond belief, and I will probably end up editing this tonight now that I think about it. But I'm so excited, and I literally can't believe that I have this opportunity to work with this company that, had you told me beginning of this year, I've said this before, but I wouldn't believe you if you said that I would be working for MAC come the end of 2018. And I am just so excited to start this chapter of my life and see what it has to offer. I'm so excited. So on that note, I'm going to jump into my goodies here. Everything today was actually 15% off. Like, I was like, oh, I have to go to MAC. Like, I have to go to MAC. I need to buy all this stuff. Like, and everything was 15% off. So I believe that that was a sign that I was supposed to be there, spend all my money on this makeup. First things first, I bought the MAC Shiny Pretty Things Party Favors Mini Glitter and Pigments gold shades. Obviously they're minis. Comes in this really cute packaging. I bought it for myself because, well, I need it. I'm probably gonna end up using these tomorrow. I'm gonna open this. So here are the colors. They're really, really pretty. So the first pigment, you get pigment and glitters. These are the two pigments. This one is Shine Time, this like reddish coppery colored one. And then this one is English Gilt, this really, really pretty champagne-y gold one. Obviously looks like Whisper of Guilt a little bit. And then the two glitters that you get are copper and gold. So obviously we have copper here and we have gold here. Really, really all of it is beautiful. So those are my pigments. Next few things I bought, I guess while we're on the subject of eyes, I got the MAC Instacurl Mascara. Instacurl Lash, I'm sorry. It's a mascara though. And I love this packaging. I absolutely adore it. It looks like a curled lash. I think it's really, really cool. And it's a super thick spoolie, and I really think I'm gonna enjoy this. So I got the Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. This is a really popular product for MAC. A lot of people use it as a base for your eyeshadow. It's really good. I love using these. Last thing for eyes, teach myself how to do gel liner again, but I figured that the Pro Longwear Fluid Line would be a good thing to start using. And this is Blacktrack. That just looks so satisfying to like delve into. Oh my god. That's like an eyeliner, gel liner. It probably would be good for my waterline. So the last two things I got from MAC are the Studio Fix Fluid, one of the most popular foundations obviously that MAC carries. My shade is NC37, and I just love like the classic bottle. This is my shade. I got the new Studio Fix 24-Hour Smooth Wear Concealer. In this, I get an NC30. I don't know what happened to my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. No clue where it is. It literally could be anywhere. This is what it looks like. It's a lot bigger. So you get a little doe foot applicator. I'm super excited to try this. I do like to have my concealer a couple shades lighter than my foundation, just so that it will highlight my face and, the higher points of my face, under my eyes, all of that. This is pretty yellow, so it's definitely gonna have a brightening effect on my eyes. I am, warm toned, so yellow is in my face, in my skin. Yeah. So that's all my MAC stuff that I bought today. There's plenty of other things that I needed to buy, but I knew that if I didn't stop myself, I would be super broke. I did stop at Riley Rose. So I bought just a couple pairs of lashes because, well, I needed new ones. I don't know what it is about my iconic lights right now, but they don't look like this. I bought a new set of iconic lights from House of Lashes. I flippin' love these lashes so much. They are perfect for my eye shape, perfect for any look that I'm trying to do, especially when I want my eye to look a little bit bigger less tired, that kind of thing. And then I got some Ace Beaute lashes. I have my Clotho ones, Clotho, however you pronounce them. I got these lashes in Cerina. I think they're flippin' stunning. I have no idea what they're gonna look like on my face, but I'm excited to try them and find out. That was my super short makeup haul for the day. I wanted to let you guys know because I found out today, MAC, if you bring back 6 empty the like cardboard containers, you will get a free MAC lipstick of your choice. It's their new recycling program. I think that's flippin' amazing, being environmentally conscious. And yeah, I think that's really cool, and I wanted to pass that information along to you guys so that if you go on and have yourself a little haul at MAC and end up with, you know, 6 little boxes and whatnot, get yourself a free lipstick and turn them back in, do some good for the environment. So it is now 11:20. I've only been talking to you guys for 15 minutes, but I'm gonna go wash my face and get ready for bed. I have to be up hella early tomorrow to get myself ready for this first day, and I'm really hoping that it's a good first day and I learn a lot and I, you know, don't have a fucking panic attack. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's super random and short, but I hope you guys liked it. Just like I said, I am so tired. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will link all my products down below, and yeah, I'll check you guys later. Peace out. Hello, welcome back to my channel, except I think this is gonna be an IG video. I don't know. Okay. Guys, I'm so excited I'm working at MAC.